It's my birthday. It's very bright. I put tequila in my orange juice. Oh. We're going to Kansas City. Got a new video camera. It's giving vintage. It's giving, I don't know, I just really wanted like something small. All right, I'm gonna pack. Okay, I know this is kind of stupid, but is anyone like me and like I am going for 2 days? Why do I do this where like I'll look around at my plants and be like, this needs to be dusted, and I do everything else. Like I just vacuumed and I'm like, wow, that wasn't even necessary, and it's been an hour and I still haven't packed, and Megan is gonna be here very soon. Also, I just popped a pimple on my face because can't travel with a pimple, but now traveling with a red mark. Classy. It's really hard to not look at myself. Oof. Camera's like, oh, too close, bitch. I need to look less like this and more like I'm a human. I just showered. We're getting somewhere. It's a slow process, but it's happening. Put on a shirt and some sweats. So, oh my god. Washed my hair, sorta. I put conditioner in. Okay, that counts. Now I am still packing. It's happening. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, braid my hair, and yeah. Megan is on her way, so I have to hurry the hell up. Gonna do that now. In here. Look at Megan's fit. Oh yeah. She's living the dream. Oh!
I don't think it's capturing the skyline.
Out like outwards, like.
I'm putting all. What's the consensus?
Or I'm waiting for you to decide.
Oh, okay. Jeans, hot though. It's 70 something.
The green halter top is cute. Just keep that.
Oh, I think, but the skirt, I don't know. Is it like flowy? Do you have skirt?
I mean,
Or is it?
It doesn't go like. It doesn't come up that much, but it comes up enough to make me feel like
You might show some leg.
But tonight, like I feel like this is like my going out, like my most risque outfit.
Right.
Okay, maybe.
But also I might flash someone wearing it. No cap.
Yeah, it's windy.
I can't not laugh.
Hello.
Hello. We're here to celebrate.
La la. Okay, and your birthday. You're in
We got
April.
the tequila.
Tequila.
One serving only,
One serving.
unfortunately.
I know. What are we gonna do? We don't have enough.
Oh yeah. Why is that giraffe?
Why isn't it there?
I don't know. I like it. We're getting like this. So you gotta stick it out so you can see. Oh la la. Oh la la. Je ne sais quoi.
Oh my god.
Merci
Bonjour.
beaucoup.
Merci. Buongiorno.
Merci.
Merci.
Yeah, birthday girl shotgun.
Birthday girl. was gonna say, look at the OOTD. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The spin.
Ooh la la. Oh, and the little clothes pile. Yes, ma'am. She's serving. The little
Okay, the zoom on this, very good. Oh, like a little butterfly clip. Sorry. The zoom is incredible on this thing.
I can zoom in on this guy.
Oh.
Still on.
When you can hear like people walking by you in their conversation. It's sunny outside. The trolley ollie.
Sorry for y'all losers and get parking spot.
Guys, look.
Zoom in on the jungle. Black,
Did I look at that fish from SpongeBob?
Moscow Mule.
Look at her with her little.
Oh wow, what'd you get, a Cosmopolitan?
I got the it was like the pear liquor. It was pear tree.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Ooh, yeah.
Basic. Tall boy.
Megan would get a PBR.
I didn't even think to look at the drink menus. It's nice. It's like
Shiny Cadillac cars and the people on subways and trains.
Love it.
Door, the night could last forever. With the sun.
I don't like these kinds of.
I know, it's just like, go, bitch.
Yeah, I know,
It's like,
literally.
hope for the best.
Yeah, seriously. Sweet money.
Ooh, let's get that can.
Get the fish in the can.
Your eyes are. Wait, how did it say? Your eyes is gorgeous.
How? Like George.
Gorgeous.
George's.